Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the essentials of plant care and sharing the top tips to keep your plants healthy, vibrant, and thriving. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your gardening skills, these tips are simple, effective, and perfect for any plant parent. First things first, every plant is unique. To give them the best care, we need to understand a few basics. Most plants love sunlight, but some thrive in shade or indirect light. Know if your plants are sun lovers, shade-friendly, or somewhere in between. Adjusting their position can make all the difference. Watering is critical, but overdoing it can lead to root rot. Get familiar with each plant's needs. Some prefer moist soil, while others thrive on a drier side. A good rule of thumb: if the top inch of soil is dry, it's time to water. Healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy plant. Good soil provides nutrients, retains moisture, and supports strong root systems. Choose soil that suits your plants. Cactus soil for succulents, nutrient-rich soil for vegetables, etc. Test your soil's pH level occasionally, as some plants have specific pH needs. Enrich your soil regularly with compost or organic matter. This not only provides nutrients, but also improves soil texture and drainage. Plants get hungry too. Fertilizing provides essential nutrients that may not be present in soil alone. Different plants need different nutrients. Use a balanced fertilizer or specific blends based on what your plants require: more nitrogen for leafy greens, or potassium for flowering plants. Avoid over-fertilizing. Fertilize during the growing season, and reduce in fall and winter when most plants need less. Part 4. Pruning and deadheading. Pruning and deadheading might sound fancy, but they're super easy and essential for plant health. Regular pruning helps manage growth, prevents disease, and encourages healthier blooms. Trim away dead or damaged leaves, and pinch off the tips to encourage branching. Removing spent flowers redirects energy back to the plant, promoting new growth. Just pinch off faded flowers. Your plants will thank you with more blooms. Part 5. Preventing and managing pests. No one likes uninvited guests, especially when they're pests. Let's talk about preventing and managing these common garden nuisances. Inspect your plants weekly. Look under leaves and on stems for any signs of pests like discoloration or holes. Consider natural methods like neem oil or insecticidal soap for a gentle, eco-friendly approach. Or introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs that naturally control pests. Part 6. Keeping up with seasonal changes. Plants experience seasonal changes just like we do. Here's how to help them adapt and stay healthy all year round. In winter, most plants need less water and no fertilizer. In summer, consider extra shade if it's too hot. Adjust your watering and feeding schedule based on the time of year. If you have tropical plants or sensitive houseplants, bring them indoors when temperatures drop. Indoor conditions are generally more stable and protect them from frost or extreme weather. Part 7. Giving your plants a healthy environment. Sometimes it's the little things that make a big difference. Good airflow reduces the risk of fungal infections. Place plants with enough space around them to let air circulate. Some plants, like ferns, thrive in humidity. If your home is dry, try misting or placing a humidifier nearby to mimic their natural environment. Conclusion. So there you have it. With these tips, your plants will not only survive but thrive. Remember, a little love and consistency go a long way in keeping your plants happy and healthy. Have any plant care tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.